Kidding.
Hey y'all, I'm Jay Maxine. I'm still the girl who ate her way to a healthier version of herself. But in today's video, we will be cleaning out my refrigerator, going to the farmer's market, and after almost 2 years, getting back into the gym. Thank you to those who are returning. I really appreciate your support, and welcome to those that are new. We hope you stick around. Don't forget to like, don't be shy, comment below, and definitely hit the subscribe button. It helps me as a new YouTuber to get further into the algorithm. Thanks, guys.
Oh my gosh, guys. I need to do better in organizing my stuff. This is the garage, refrigerator.
I'm trying to get off the sticky stuff.
All right, good job. All right, guys, so I got it cleaned out. I organized this a little better so I can see things. We have, you know, I put stuff, I got these, y'all, at Aldi's, which I really love. Just put, like, you know, the meats, turkey, sandwich meat and stuff in there. We have some cheese, dairy stuff, a couple of random things at the top. My egg whites, of course, there's some eggs back there. This is seafood. And this is what the kiddos put together. So they just have, like, you know, quick little snacks that they can reach. A little bit of juice. Uh-oh. I need to put something right here, guys. Oh, I did have a question though. What are you guys putting here? What goes here? It's so little.
Vegan chocolate chip cookie.
Oh, vegan chocolate chip cookie.
Looks so good. I'm excited to try it.
The lighting is not great in here.
You see him in the back?
Huh?
He was in your video.
Oh, the guy? Hey. I'm coming to get some radish. Okay, what is the difference? Oh, this is pretty.
That's a watermelon radish, and that's a purple daikon radish.
Wait, okay, what's the difference? I just want to...
Well, besides color, this one has got a little bit more kick to it.
This one does?
Yeah.
Okay.
As they get bigger, it's a little more mild. And the daikon radish is milder in general.
Okay.
And I like it if I'm gonna cook.
I'm gonna
treat
cook.
it like a potato, yeah.
I'm gonna do this one then. Okay.
All right. You need a little bag for it?
Sure, please.
Okay.
I'm not quite sure what's in them, but they're really good. Okay. But also their juices are just like out of sight.
About the juices.
I did.
Elixirs.
Yeah.
They do some awesome flavors.
Oh, tell us about
They do
it.
a really awesome Jamaica one.
Thank you. All right.
All right, let's go. These are so pretty. gym. I have not been to a gym since, what, February? February, like the end of February 2020.
Looking back at it, I wish I would have started my weight loss journey lifting weights, but the pandemic happened, so I stayed home and I ate like really healthy and everything. But anyways, here we go. I did the little Stairmaster to get a little bit warmed up. I stretched a little bit, and then I was like, let's do a little squats. I definitely started off with very light weights since it's been so long. I just kind of wanted to ease my way into it. I also apologize. That bar is literally right in front of the camera, and I didn't notice it until I got all the way home. So sorry about that, guys. Guys, I was kind of hesitant to even post this part of the video, but I thought about it and I like to be fully transparent, right? This is just me, period. You know, bodies come in all shapes and all beautiful sizes. We have cellulite, we have wrinkles, and we have stretch marks. I have plenty of stretch marks and it's normal. Exercise and diet plans can be extremely unhealthy. I'm an advocate for reaching out to professionals to get help. And, you know, for me, I started eating whole foods, stuff that was a little bit more nutritious. I can't think of a better representation of beauty than someone who is unafraid to be themselves. Even when I was 65 pounds heavier, you couldn't tell me nothing because I knew I was beautiful. But my issue was I couldn't get over the fact of how I was looking because I was comparing myself to my old body. I don't want to snap back. I'm trying to snap forward. So guys, listen, even if you don't wake up and look like the perfect image that you have in your mind, you are freaking beautiful. You're amazing. If you want to make changes, do so accordingly. But at the end of the day, we all some beautiful human beings, y'all. y'all. We here. Y'all, if you're currently on a weight loss journey or if you're thinking about starting one, drop a comment below. Let me know what, I guess, phase you're in. And remember, you can still absolutely love yourself and be a work in progress at the same time. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't be shy, guys, and I'll see you guys next week.